Yes, hello students. Today we are going to start one new topic, that is surface areas and volumes. Okay, today we are going to do some basic things about it. See here, first point is, what do you mean by solids? What are the solids? Solids are bodies which have three dimensions in space are called solids. Bodies which have three dimensions in the space are called solids. Point number 2. Surface area. What do you mean by surface area of any solid? It is the total sum of all the areas of all the shapes that cover the surface of the solid is called surface area of the solid. What do you mean again? It is the total sum of all the areas of all the shapes that cover the surface of solid is called surface area of solid. Point number 2. Come on, point number 3. What do you mean by literal surface area of the solid? Literal surface area, it means you have to leave top and bottom, and whatever the things which are in surrounding, that is called literal surface area. It is the surface area of all its faces excluding the basis of the solid. You can take top and bottom. I am using the word basis of the solid. It means you have to leave top and bottom, and area 4 walls we can say. This is called literal surface area of solid. Come on, next point is volume. What do you mean by volume? The amount of space occupied by a solid. The amount of space occupied by a solid is known as the volume of that solid. Okay. Next point is, what do you mean by cube? In a cube, it is in cube. One good example of cube is your dice. We have a dice. No, we all know the dice. In the dice, all sides are equal. It means the dice in which shape? It is in cubical shape. Okay. Then what is the PSA of cube? 6 into side square. Here I have taken side A. This is the shape of cube. Here all sides are equal. LSA, literal surface area. It is 4 into side square. 4 into A square. Okay, come on, third point. Volume. Volume of cube is side cube or A cube we can say. One more thing, it is your diagonal of cube, that is root 3 into side. Diagonal of cube, it is root 3 into side. Now the next point is cuboid. What do you mean by cuboid? This is just like one register. You can say your book. You can say a toothpaste box. These are the shapes of cuboid. No? Come on. What is cuboid and what is PSA of cuboid? Cuboid have three sides, three different sides: length, breadth and height. Okay. This is the shape of cuboid. And what is TSA? TSA means total surface area of cuboid. What is total surface area of cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. See here. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is your total surface area of cuboid. Now come on, literal surface area. Literal surface area means what? This area of 4 walls. Okay. You don't include top and bottom of that box of any solid. We can say, what is LSA of cuboid? 2 into H in bracket L plus B. 2 into H in bracket L plus B. And what is the volume of cuboid? How much things can occupied in that? That is volume. Volume is L into B into H. One more thing, it is diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal means what? From one end to another end. From one end to another end. This is the diagonal from here to here. If you can put any rod in that box, or you can put your pencil in your geometry box, slightly slanting, that is your diagonal. Okay, diagonal of cuboid is what? Under root L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, now come on, cylinder. What is TSA of cylinder? Cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Cylinder means what? One thing, important thing. What is one good example of cylinder? This is my pen. This is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, your tube light. It is in cylinder. Okay. Then TSA 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. In this one, no literal side. No, I am using the different word because here is circular thing. I am taking CSA. Okay. CSA. CSA is 2 pi RH. The base of cylinder is this, you see, it is in this is circular shape. Okay. So I can say the perimeter or circumference of that base into height. Okay, the another formula of CSA is perimeter of the base into height, that is 2 pi RH. Okay, now come on, volume of cube, volume of that cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is your area of base into height. What is area? What is this? This is in circular shape. What is its area? Pi r square. And what is the height? H. Okay, so pi r square H. This is the volume of cylinder. Now the next point is your right circular cone. Okay, see here, this is the shape of a cone. This is slant height, this is height, and this is radius. Okay, what is the TSA of cone? TSA of cone is pi r plus L. Here, pi r plus L. This is total surface area of a cone. Now, the CSA of cone, pi r L, only this circular thing, CSA of cone. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, this is the 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Okay, what was the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. And what is the volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, keep in mind. Come on, next, slant height. What is slant height? Slant height L is equal to under root r square plus h square. This is the slant height of the cone. Come on, new shape is your sphere. Sphere is just like a ball, no? Ball we have seen. In that ball, your total surface area and TSA and CSA both are equal in the ball. Okay. TSA is 4 pi r square, CSA is also 4 pi r square. And what is the volume of it? Volume of that ball, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of that ball is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Yes, the next point is hemisphere. This is the hemisphere of radius r. What is the total surface area of hemisphere? Just to see one cork ball. If you cut it in two parts, then one part is this and upper part is circle 1. Okay. What will be the lower part? What is the area of the lower part? Is 2 pi r square. And upper part is the circle one, na? Circular part. In a cork ball, I am mentioning cork ball, solid ball. Okay, lower part is 2 pi r square, half of it. And then pi r square is the top part, that is your circular part. Area of circle is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, this will be 3 pi r square. It is very important. Okay, what is that is TSA of hemisphere? This is 3 pi r square. What is CSA of hemisphere then? CSA of hemisphere is this one, the circular part. It is 2 pi r square. Okay, what will be the volume of it? Volume is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube.